distinct privilege of meeting up with Evan Missig, our senior account representative, senior account executive at UWM, United Wholesale Mortgage. They have been fantastic partners through thick and thin. Evan is always available to us. And I just wanted to give you a kind of a glimpse into one of our leading partners, their headquarters, how they operate, and the full breadth and scope of what Xcellence Mortgage can bring to your client. So without any further ado, Evan, thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having me, Christina. You guys at Xcellence Mortgage are awesome partners of ours here at United Wholesale Mortgage. So I'm excited to, explain kind of who we are and what we do. So I'll kind of just kick it off right away. We are the largest wholesale lender in the country. So what that actually means is that we have been doing the most business in the wholesale channel for the last 8 years running. That's actually never been done before. We are very proud of that. And in general, we have been doing the most purchase business from retail and wholesale for the last 3 years in a row. And we're actually the largest lender now, doing the most business in terms of mortgages for the last year in a row. And the reason it's like that is because we pride ourselves on just excellent client service. We have unmatched speed when it comes to turn times. We have unmatched technology, and we have unmatched, just service, like I mentioned, because of what we do every single day with our partners like yourselves. So, like a little bit about me. I've been an account rep here for over 8 years. I've been a team leader for 7 years. Over 7 years now. I was a loan officer before that for about 3 or 4 years. And I've been in the mortgage servicing side as well. So I have over 10 years experience when it comes to the mortgage industry. So I'm here to help all of you guys, grow your business and then get loans closed quickly and efficiently, just like everybody else. So the ways that we are able to do this here at United Wholesale is because of service, right? Communication is one of the biggest things that we have. Any loan officer that you guys are dealing with, they can call me with any questions. But more importantly, when a loan's in process, let's say like they have questions or something's going wrong, we need to fix something. The loan officer or the processor or anybody involved with the transaction can actually call the underwriter themselves, and they pick up the phone. That's an initiative we have. We call it No Call Left Behind. I know, all the loan officers, brokers, especially processors love this because, when you have an issue, you need somebody to answer that, tell you exactly what's going on, how to fix it. If we can't fix it, communication is the biggest thing that we really, really preach here, and making sure that we give them the service that nobody else can, because we know they're actually talking to borrowers, they're communicating with the real estate agents, title companies, everybody that's involved with the transaction needs to know what's going on, even if it's good news or unfortunately sometimes it's bad news, but we need to know to make sure we can get that solution. So we have a ton of technology and kind of how we do this here as well. We have something called CRs. It's called client request. So this is another way that anybody can communicate to anybody that's dealing with the actual loan. Instead of calling somebody or emailing somebody, it's just a system that, they put a question and it goes directly to the person handling that situation. So there are so many different things that we do here. As you can see, there's a bunch of people walking behind me. So we have over 7,000 team members that are located in only 3 buildings in Pontiac, Michigan. Yes, Pontiac, Michigan. So that is the support system you guys all have. I mean, we have over 3,000 underwriters. We have over 500 people in IT. Our operations are huge. We even have our own AMC that answers the phone, that gets you quick turn times. So we've developed all these policies and processes and teams to simply just give you guys the best customer service possible. And to prove that, I don't know if you guys know this, but industry average is about 45 to 60 days to close a loan, right? That involves wholesale and all of retail. At UWM, we actually average about 15 days from submission. That means getting your loan into underwriting and then getting a clear to close. So why is that important? Well, it's about customer, experience, right? So if you have a client as an agent or even as an LO or a broker, the faster you go, the better it is typically, right? And the easier it usually is too. right? You never ask somebody, hey, I want something that's super slow and difficult. No, you want fast and easy, just like everybody, right? So we really pride ourselves on that, because the more loans or transactions as agents we close faster, the more referrals you're just going to get, because the less issues you have, right? And then, so what we try to do then is, grow your business by growing the LO's business, so then our business will grow as well. That's the type of partner we are. And there's so many different ways that we do that. Like I mentioned beforehand, all these people walking behind us, we actually have visitors here of our clients. So LOs, processors, broker owners, even agents come visit us for trainings. We fly them in here. We give them the best training possible at the moment. We give them the most updates. We explain to them what we do, because a lot of people just don't know who we are, because we've been wholesale for a very long time, even though we've been around for about over 30 years now. So, that's kind of a little scope of, who we are and what we do. So, I appreciate, Christina, do you have any questions for me or anything that, you want me to handle or go over?
I really appreciate all the background. I just want our agents to know what a wonderful partnership we have in you and UWM. And it is true. You call and they answer the phone. Now, given, every scenario, just getting a mortgage for a client, if you put yourself in the client's shoes, the buyer's shoes, it's a stressful process. There's so many variables. There's so many things. They're nervous. They're getting into this transaction.
Yep.
Some of them are first-time home buyers. So having a partnership like yours is, monumental for us, because we know we can deliver a quality, transparent experience for the client. When we call you, you answer the phone. And not only that, the breadth and scope of the products, any program that's out there, UWM is on it. You're knowledgeable about it. You can get back to us quickly. So I wanted everyone to know who we have in you as a partner, and thank you for your partnership.
Yeah.
We can never forget what it's like to be in the client or buyer's shoes. We do this a lot every day. As a real estate agent, you probably see many buyers in your lifetime, but you can't forget what it feels like to be that buyer for the first time. It's stressful. And what do you want is clear and consistent and transparent communication. And that's kind of what we're all about. Behind the scenes, this is what we're working with. We have this awesome partnership, and I wanted our agents to see that so they could know the power behind Xcellence Mortgage is you and UWM. So here we are. I thank you for your time. I know you have a lot on your plate, but as always, you make yourself available to us. And I know that just want to make our agents aware that we can reach out at any time.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Christina. You guys do an amazing job over there in Xcellence Mortgage, and our partnership is very valued with you guys as well. So yeah, just thanks again.
Thank you so much, Evan. And I guess we'll be visiting you sometime soon up there in Michigan in the middle of the
Yeah, exactly. Don't worry, I'll buy you a couple jackets if you need to. Okay.
You can come down to sunny Florida. How's that?
That's a guarantee.
All right. Thank you so much, Evan. Have a wonderful day. And Xcellence family, don't hesitate to reach out at any time. You can call us at 305-595-7355, the option for mortgage. You can also have your client, you can share a link, excellencemortgage.com/apply, and get started on pre-qualifying your client. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a wonderful week. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.